Welcome to Crack Defense. In this video, we are going to learn about types of ratio. So let's quickly begin. First type is duplicate ratio. This ratio is a square of two numbers. For example, if you want to calculate duplicate ratio of 3:4, so that will become 3 square is to 4 square, that is 9:16. This will be the duplicate ratio. Next category is subduplicate ratio. It is the ratio of square roots of two numbers. So example, if we have to calculate duplicate ratio, subduplicate ratio of 4:9, then we have to just do under root of 4 is to under root of 9, and that becomes 2:3. Third category we have is triplicate ratio. As the name is saying, is just the ratio of cubes of two numbers. So for example, we have to calculate triplicate ratio of 2:3. So it would be 2 cube is to 3 cube, and that will be calculated as 8:27. Let's move on to some other categories. Next is subtriplicate ratio. So as the name is saying here again, is a ratio of cube roots of two numbers. So for example, if you want to calculate subtriplicate ratio of 64:27, we have to just do cube root of 64 is to cube root of 27, and that comes as 4:3. Next category is inverse ratio. As the name is saying itself, it's when you have antecedent and consequent are mutually replaced. For example, if you want to calculate inverse ratio of 3:7, so the inverse ratio becomes 7:3, just the inverse. You have to replace the values. Then you have compound ratio. It is obtained by multiplying together the antecedents of a new antecedent and the consequence for a new consequent. For example, we have compound ratio of 4:3 and 5:2 and 7:3. So it's calculated as 4 multiplied by 5 into 7. So all the antecedents together, and then you have consequence together, 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and becomes 140 and 18, and then you have 7 by 9, and then it becomes just 70:9. Thank you.